As mentioned, triggering the starter motor from the engine compartment is an old Ford trick. For many decades, Ford did not use starter solenoids that were attached to the starter motor, but instead mounted the solenoid remotely on the passenger fender, or sometimes passenger wheel well, but usually the passenger fender. So any old Ford owner knows how to do what I just showed you on the DeLorean, because Ford owners have been doing it for decades. This is my solenoid. So you can use that same technique on a DeLorean and see if your engine starts. And if it does, you know that the solenoid and the motor, starter motor and the battery and all that is good.